Hey guys, so back again, and this time I'm going to show you the other preview or the other little service. As you can see, it's a service that is going to allow us to check the network. So that should be on the channel on the 31st. Okay, if everything goes okay, it should be there on the 31st, Thursday. Also remember that I'm going to start adding also tutorials or little applications on Thursdays. Maybe not every week, but some weeks for you to wait for that. And this one is using RxJs to handle and sending information. And to check the current state of the network, we're going to add another package that allows us to handle that. Okay, let's say F12, and we can perform a little demonstration here. Okay, that's why it's a preview. So let's say offline is going to tell us that it's offline. Let's go online, it's going to tell us that it's online. Okay, but let's go in this case. Well, you know that this is only going to try to fool the application. So let's actually close this, refresh. You can see we're on localhost 8080. Okay, this is a progressive web app. So what I'm going to do now is go back to the back of my PC and take out the cable, the Ethernet cable, and you can see the network service return the next value offline. So it's checking actually this and not it's not going to be fooled by the settings here on the console, okay, on the development tools. So that's why I closed that, because it wasn't going to work. It was going to fool us. If I disconnected my Ethernet, it was going to break kinda this behavior. Okay, so I can close this and check now as I go back and add again, connect again my cable. Okay, the network service returned the next value online. So we are set. And this is kind of the same. If I refresh, you can see that it says online because we are actually online. We actually have an active internet connection. Okay, so that's why it says that, even though this one is offline. Okay, so I just want you to understand that this service is going to check actually this, and sometimes some services only check what the browser is checking, okay, not the real connection. So yeah, that's it. I think that's all, and see you in the next one.